What's up, you guys? Got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips today. Coming at you with another video. Going to try to explain Offer Vault and what CPA marketing is. It's a real beautiful thing if you get it done right. It's an easy way to make money. I may come at you later with another video about CPA marketing, about content locking and everything. I'll explain that as we go. But without further ado, let's get started. Over here we've got Offer Vault, which is a beautiful platform. It's got a bunch of different networks. It's not just one individual network like Netflix or JVZoo or Warrior Plus or anything. This is a lot of other banner ads, it's a lot of different things. It's a way to make a lot of money. Like this one right here, you get $10.40 for just a lead, but it is a double opt-in. So let's look at this and see what it does and what all it not necessarily includes, but what all you have to do to find out. You click on the link like I just did, and it'll run. You can hit run offer, which of course you would have to, but you can only run this one in Italy. It's from Crank Revenue. It provides leading edge web traffic. Oh, that's just about Crank Revenue. Percent of the sale on that one. You get 90 cents for the lead there. Let's see here. Here's one for Mike's Bounty. It's insurance, but you got to get the sale. $14. It's maybe a sale. Life insurance, able to find the best life insurance themselves. Absolutely no traffic can be brought through catch, brokered web, vintage media. Okay, let's keep looking here. Publishers are required to send leads from 5 a.m. Pacific to 5 p.m. during the week, as weekend traffic will not convert well. Let's see what the landing page is. See what that comes up like. Because this right here just don't say a whole lot. Or you can call them. I'm sure you get paid per call, which is another thing you can do. You get paid for people making phone calls from a minute and a half to 2 minutes at a time. It's is what it is here. Let's see. Okay, so this is the landing page. Do you currently? Let's hit no. See what it does. It takes its time. I know my computer's slow, fellas, because it's just old and slow. It is what it is. We'll get there whenever we get there. Keeps up too long, we're going to go find another offer to look at. Find a pay per call offer, show you what them are. Cause this is just taking too long. Let's get back out of this. Go over here. And I seen one down here a while ago. It was sweepstakes. Here we go. $500 free groceries, which is a beautiful thing, especially if you're doing content locking. So like I said, I'll show you all that later from another site called CPA Grip. It's, yeah, here's Fiverr. We'll look at that one in a minute too. Well, that's paying $15 per sale. Which, matter of fact, I know what that is, and I'll show you all. That's a really good offer. Come on, load up. But for this one right here, it would even convert with Facebook traffic. I know it would, because the sweepstake offers what it is. You create a landing page and everything. So obviously you can do it anywhere. It's $1.60 per lead. Next generation marketing. Let's see if that'll pull up. That way you can see what the offer actually is. See, this is a long lead form though. You may not get a whole lot, but see, you get $500 grocery card for everybody that fills out this, or you get entered to win it. And as long as they fill this form out, you get paid $1.60. So you know it comes out pretty good on that end. So, but let's go back down here and show you this Fiverr offer. It's pretty cool. Damn, I didn't mean to open a whole new window, but oh well. Because this right here, you know, I'm assuming most of y'all know what this is. As far as Fiverr goes, you get paid $15 to $150 commission for every first time buyer. Amazing conversion rate. Basically what it is, you put this out, and if they come over here to Fiverr and fill out and make a gig on Fiverr and make a sale, you get $15 to $150 depending on what it is. This one, one of my mentors told me about it yesterday, I believe. So you know, it's a really good offer. But it's like I said, I want to show you all the pay per calls. So you go up here, pay up. My hell if I can say it spell today. There's 803 of these, which, you know, of course they're showing leads. Like this right here is legal offers for $250. $250 for accident lawyer, rehab 3-minute call duration, rehab 2-minute call, $825 for that lead. $700, $600. If y'all can do one of them a week, you're making pretty good money. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. This one right here is, well, it don't say how long the call is. This one don't say. I don't like that part of it, but you know, it's $250 if you get them the lead. Water damage here. I know these say experience required, but it really don't have to. This water damage one right here is $95. The pay per calls always pay better. They're going to be more than $1 or $2 a lead. It's going to be on, let's see if I can do something here. Payout, if I do this right here, that'll bring up the lowest payout, which is 70% of the sale there. Now that says a penny, but I know you're making more than that per lead, otherwise it wouldn't be worth your time. I guess some of these might actually be a penny or so, but yeah, no, I wouldn't do it. But you know, that is what Offer Vault is. You can use banner ads and everything else to do CPA offers. You know, some of them are like banner ads. If I clicked on this, somebody may get paid purposely because I clicked on it. You know, that is in here too. Sling ads. Um, you can do crypto on here. I know you can. Matter of fact, it's down here on the side, or was a while ago. I guess maybe not now. Yeah, here we go. These are trending searches now. They're Forex, Bitcoin, which is a crypto. Let's see what that comes up with. Yeah, it's moving. You get how many there? 792. Good Lord, that's $1,600 for a lead. What all you got to do for that? Well, that's sponsored. I don't know. Let's go up here and see what you got to do anyway. It's Bitcoin future, so it's probably some sort of option deal. I'm curious at $1,600. I may be interested. Of course, this is where you can do it. Read more. Okay, target market, male, female, cost to customer for the first deposit. It's a lead depositor, so they'd have to basically make the sale. First payouts $225 to $600, depending on what you do. Ad conversion cookie is 90 days. You know, it is a good deal. I may consider this at $1,600 per conversion. But yeah, if y'all got any information that you think useful or you like, hit the like button for me. Subscribe. Let me know what's going on, what y'all want to hear next. I really think this might be a good one here. But anyway, as I said, you know, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Remember, sharing's caring. Until we talk again, we'll talk to you later.